Have you ever wondered how to make your money work for you? It might seem like a daunting task, but with the right strategies in place, you can set your money on a journey to generate more wealth for you. It's all about understanding your financial landscape and making smart, informed decisions. Let's delve into this fascinating world of personal finance. The first step is budgeting. Know your income, know your expenses, and have crystal clear financial goals. This is your roadmap, your blueprint, if you will. It allows you to allocate your money wisely and helps you steer clear of unnecessary debts. Remember, every dollar saved is a dollar earned. Then comes the exciting part, investing. This is where you put your money to work. Stocks, real estate, bonds, mutual funds, there's a world of possibilities out there. The key is to diversify. Spreading your investments across different asset classes can help mitigate risk and potentially increase returns. Next, let's talk about compound interest, the secret ingredient to growing your wealth. It's all about reinvesting your earnings to generate even more earnings over time. Think of it as a snowball effect. Your wealth keeps growing bigger and bigger with each roll. Now, onto retirement accounts. Maximizing contributions to retirement accounts like 401(k)s, IRAs, or pension plans is crucial for long-term financial security. These accounts often come with tax advantages and can be a reliable source of income during your golden years. Passive income is another way to make your money work for you. This includes earnings from investments, rental properties, royalties, or dividends. It's money that comes in without you having to actively work for it. Now, who wouldn't like that? Never stop learning. The world of finance is ever-changing. Keeping up to date with personal finance, investment strategies, and market trends helps you make informed decisions and adapt to changing financial landscapes. Finally, don't hesitate to seek professional advice. Financial advisors or experts can provide tailored strategies that align with your goals and risk tolerance. They can offer invaluable insights and help you navigate through the complex world of investing. To sum it up, making your money work for you involves a blend of budgeting, investing, leveraging compound interest, maximizing retirement account contributions, generating passive income, continuous learning, and seeking professional advice. Remember, all investments carry some level of risk. Hence, it's paramount to conduct thorough research and consider your risk tolerance before diving in. So, set your financial goals, start budgeting, explore investment options, and embark on your journey to financial freedom. Your money is ready to work for you. Are you ready to make it happen?